The biggest mistake MBA students make, waiting too long to plan their careers. I am Dr. Rama Prasada Rao, Professor of Management, and I have seen it happening over and over again, but not for you. Today, I'll share the strategies that top MBA graduates use to land their dream jobs before they even graduate. Stay with me. You won't want to miss this. Are you an MBA student wondering how to land your dream job? Don't wait until the last semester. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to prepare while you are still in MBA. First, define your career goal. Do you want to work in finance, marketing, HR, or start your own business? Identifying your goal early helps you choose the right skills and internship. Your MBA degree is important, but recruiters want skills. Here are 4 essential tools that can make you stand out. Power BI, a powerful tool by Microsoft used for business intelligence and data visualization. Tableau, a top analytic tool that helps in decision making using data. Digital marketing, essential for branding, SEO, and running successful ads. AI-based business analytics. Companies use AI to predict trends and automate decisions. Gain practical experience. Internships, live projects, and freelancing give you hands-on experience. This builds your resume and prepares you for real-world challenges. Network and build connections. Your network is your net worth. Connect with professionals, attend industry events, and join online communities. Start by building a strong LinkedIn profile and connect with industry leaders. Follow company pages, join MBA and business groups, and actively comment on posts to stay visible. On X, follow business influencers, share insights, and engage in trending discussions. Also attend industry events, both online and offline, to meet professionals face to face. The right connection today can open career doors tomorrow. Resume and interview preparation. Your resume should highlight skills, projects, and achievements. Prepare for common MBA interview questions to boost confidence. Stay updated with industry trends. Industries are evolving fast. Stay updated with AI, finance, and business trends to stay ahead. Your dream job won't come to you. Go get it. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. And don't miss our next video, MBA Toolkit, the skills that get you hired, where we'll cover the must-have skills to stand out in today's job market. See you there.